My screen is visible, right? Now, so before telling new thing, it is very important. One thing which I am missing, I will mention here. Okay, what do you know about interface? Interface. Okay, interface. Okay, I bold it. Control V. We can use interface. The interface, or I can make is the actual interface because we are talking about the actual interface. So we have to understand this. The actual interface is the means the complete screen layout and tools. What is the there? This is a complete screen. What you are seeing. Understood this? Okay, I can teach you what is the name. Okay, actual interface. Maybe we'll get a better picture. Interface. Actual interface. Let's see. Should we get la? You can see this picture, right? You can see, okay, this picture, okay, or you can see, I think this is a better way. So this is a whole picture of we call as an interface, right? Understood it? Now, so this is main, which means the actual interface means the complete screen layout and tools you see when you open Microsoft Excel. It helps it helps us enter data, use formulas, create reports, dashboards, and analyze information. Am I right? Understood it? Understood it? So, so this, so yeah, it is the complete screen layout and tools. Whatever we have our tools, okay, and we can see, okay, in Excel, and it is help us to enter the data and use the formulas, create a report, dashboard, analyze the information, whatever we have information, right? Why I told you before going to next chapter, because we are going to talk about this. Okay, now how can we? So we can go the file, and now you can see this is the Excel. What is the sheet name? It is the sheet name is the Excel. All right. Now, so but I want a different seat or different title bar. Okay. What is a title bar? Okay. Or like a workbook. You can say this is the workbook name is a new Microsoft Excel worksheet. I want here new project. Okay, new project worksheet. Or I want here Sarah. Okay, your name. Okay, Sarah. Uh, Sarah practice or Sarah practice, or what should I call? Make it like a Sarah exercise, Excel exercise, or Sarah la. Okay, so like how can we? So we understand this first. Okay, now here this is a blank book where we are working. There is the explanation. Okay, like a welcome to Excel. Take a tour. Okay, the formulas, the tutorials, Power Query tutorials, pivot table tutorials, and beyond pie charts too. So we want to learn, understand. Okay, so there is some interaction here, some guidance here. We can click here and we can get the item. Let's see. You can get. I tell you. Okay. So here is a mention. Welcome to Excel. Take this Excel tool and in the 10 easy steps, you will have the skills you need to make the most of the application. This Excel tutorial template start with a simple function, then gradually introduce you to more involved operation. This is an accessible Excel tutorial template, right? Am I right? Now I tell you before this. Now I want to check how many columns. Okay, how can we see? Do you have any idea how many columns in this Excel sheet? Any idea? So let's see. We can control, okay, and is a right arrow. Let's. It means we have a XFD columns. Total columns XFD. Okay, and now we can come back. Let's see. Now how many rows here? Let's see how many rows here. I will check here. Then control and again. Let's see. Okay, column here. Okay. So it's showing, should be showing. Okay, now we got this. Okay, so here is the total rows. Do we have one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 digits? Okay, it means 10,48,576. Okay, so these the rows. It means 10 lakhs rows we can fill in Excel. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, now. So we understood how many rows, how many columns in this Excel sheet. Now, so here is open new information. What is the information? Okay, I missed here. This is the history, whatever we have done. Okay, so this is a total both of new sheet. Okay, now I open this new one, the 47 minutes ago. You can see. Am I right? 7 minutes ago. This is already working. It is saved on desktop. Am I right? Okay. If you have any favorite one, you can also mark in a favorite. But these are the center, which we have opened and working. Am I right? So this is the now is a save is automatic save. Okay. Here you don't need to because it is already saved in a desktop. So already saved. Now here is save means where you want to save. Okay, any specific path or location, then print. Okay, so you can print here whatever like a print you have to keep, you will get to this kind of like how many page you want to print. Okay, now it is share, you want to share with people. How can you share? You can share with that because those are working in your organization because you are using licenses Microsoft Excel. Without license you can't share. I want to share with you, I can't, you can't share with me as well. If we are working in the same organization we can do. Now this is export. You want to download and export in a PDF documents, you can just click here. Okay, and then create whatever is you want to create, PDF, Excel or XPS or investigate Excel. Now you can close here. You want to close, it's automatically close. Am I right? Okay, so why is it closed? Because we have already now. Okay, I want to open this again. That is very important. Okay, so you got this idea now. Here is like account. What is account? Now it is a where I want to tell you. It is a main but important thing to understand. Okay, I want to tell you specific things, right? So here I want to customize my data. My question was I want to change. Wait, I cancel it. Okay, I told you I want to change my workbook name. This workbook, right? This one. Okay, this will not like highlighted because this is Excel. Like we can highlight this one, but this one I can't highlight. So I told you I want here Sarah Excel sheet. Okay, I will give in this. Okay, so I want to go to option, and that option we can show the customized ribbon. Right, so here is the formulas. What is the formulas we are using? You can see here is the data, whatever data, what kind of data we can use, you can see here, and proofing, save, language, okay, accessible, advanced, whatever you can do. But I my personal things because we have already learning these things, okay, but I we will not get this, so we will get in this option. Right, so here you can see we have a this is the home. Okay, and we have a like a this is a already created. Okay, Microsoft Excel worksheet, but I want to open my new, so new tab. I click here new tab, and this is the new group name. Here I want to change the new tab is a Sarah Excel. Am I right? I have created Sarah. Now let's see. I go to here, and we have to see here. Okay, so the new tab already came here, right? Okay, but name is not coming. Why? I have to go in here. Okay, let's see. Wait, I tell you. Okay, so because this is a new tab customized, and I didn't make, I make any things. Okay, I'm removing this by. So we have to rename this. Okay, new tab customize. Sarah Axel. Now you can see Sarah Axel. Am I right? And okay, this one. So you can see we have a home. Okay, in a home we have a like a ribbons. Okay, what is the groups? We have a groups here. Now, Sarah is a blank. So how can we like because I want all function or I want to customize functions here, or customize groups, right? Group function. Am I right? Am I right? So what we will do here, I will go again the option, okay, and then go customize ribbon. Am I right? And a customized ribbon, what I'm going to do, I have to click here or whatever like a calculation I want, I have to add here. Then customize need to be added in customized group. Yes, okay. Customize need to be added to custom groups to create a groups. Pick a tab in the list, then click new groups. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I have to unmark this. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to mark this, whatever. Or let's see, doing same thing here. Okay. So we have a this one, right? And add new tabs, add new groups. I'm going to new add groups. Let's see what are groups here. I want specific things. It should be work. I hope this or like this, like this. It's calculation, like condition formatting. I am just giving the answer. Now I click OK. Now you can see we got this group. In this group, I created this group. I didn't make a new name. So it means in Sarah has because I don't want here you can see I have a lot of functions, right? Lot of functions, okay, groups available. I don't want this. I want only what I needed. Am I right? So we can make it Sarah Excel and you are using for a special thing. So you don't want unnecessary groups of function. Am I right? Okay. Now, how can we remove it? Let's see. How can we remove it? So we can go again is a customized ribbon. Okay. And whatever ribbon we have to click here, then we have to remove it. Am I right? I remove it and let's see. Okay. So you can see again we got this. Okay. And now we have no. So I want my customized ribbon or worksheet. Okay. We can use this. Have so do you have this idea earlier? So you are enjoying this class? Okay, that's good. Okay, new things. So now today this is only one class, okay, and now you have to understand, okay, and you have to practice. Please do yourself, okay, and tomorrow we'll learn next things in Excel, okay, and within a week I hope we will close. And one thing, okay, now what I will do, I think I can't share these things, okay. This is a normal thing, and if I share this, okay, there will be some issues. Okay, what I'm going to do, I will record these classes, okay, sessions, and share you through the YouTube because we are not using LMS. LMS is a learning portal, okay, and earlier I taught in like big institutions, okay, and they charge like individual fees, okay, in lakhs, okay, or more than like some is a 2 lakhs as well. So they have a LMS. They provide the LMS where the recorded classes will be there. Now I will make this class in YouTube, okay, and in YouTube you will get. And if you want again this class, if you have any confusion and you missed, okay, you can reach. Okay, am I right? That will be you will get help. Okay.